Nate and Pierre, thank you so much for your business. And I just want to ask you, now you're going to pick up your car this morning. Tell me, who would you like to show this car to?
My daughter and my son, I guess.
That's nice.
Yes,
Of course,
yes.
I believe they should be the first one, right?
Yes.
And also, how was your experience with me and the dealership? How do you find that experience with me?
I got excellent service. You are the best.
Oh, thank you.
You're very nice, and I'm very happy to have come here.
Oh, thank you
sure.
so much. Thank you, Pierre, for
Yes,
being here.
you are
I know
very-
you guys drove all the way from Embrun to come make this deal happen.
It was worth the
It's
drive.
worth the drive. Thank
Yes,
you
for
so
sure.
much. And you know what? When you're in the area, please stop by and say hi.
For sure.
And I'll give you a complimentary car wash. How about that?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.